Fed says stay here with the rates while members are concerned. I'm Darren, and this is 3 Things for Thursday, May the 23rd. It looks like the street may be finally acknowledging that there has been an economic slowdown in the American upper class that has been disguised by inflation. Analysts are finally saying they admit the consumer is spending more and getting less. The cities with the hardest hit downtown businesses due to weak commercial real estate are Washington, D.C., Seattle, and San Francisco, according to the IMF. Elvis's Memphis home, Graceland, was set to be auctioned off Thursday, but a judge stepped in to stop the hound dogs. NaussanyB Investments claims that the late daughter of Elvis, Lisa Marie, took out an almost $4 million loan and used Graceland as collateral. Riley Keough, Elvis's granddaughter, says that it is a fraudulent claim. The courts are giving the defense time to gather info. Guess they are saying NaussanyB is a devil in disguise and the judge and fans should have suspicious minds. Thank you very much. Trade right sleeping across time zones with Arbitrage Trade Assist. Sign up today at arbitragetrade.com. Arbitrage Trade is your trusted source for business, finance, and tech info.
I want to eat apples and bananas. I need to eat apples and bananas. Why can't I eat apples and bananas?
Support the Feeding America nationwide network of food banks to help provide meals to those in need. Join us at feedingamerica.org.
Dow turns 40. K, that is. The Dow Jones Industrial Average surpassed 40,000 and the S&P crossed 5,000, and those are significant psychological milestones, but their true significance is debatable. These round numbers hold little inherent importance, serving more as arbitrary markers in the market's upward trajectory. The Dow, comprised of just 30 well-established companies, represents a narrow slice of the U.S. economy. In contrast, the S&P 500 is a far more comprehensive index, tracking 500 large-cap companies across various sectors. Consequently, the S&P 500 is considered a better representation of the overall stock market's performance. While the Dow and S&P 500 have historically tracked closely, the S&P 500 has outperformed recently with a 27.5% gain over the past 12 months, and that's compared to the Dow's 19.7% rise. This divergence can be attributed to the S&P 500's heavier weighting towards high-growth tech stocks, which have been propelled by the AI frenzy and anticipated interest rate cuts. Round number milestones like 40K for the Dow and 5K for the S&P 500 are psychologically significant, often garnering media attention and investor enthusiasm. However, these thresholds are arbitrary and hold no fundamental importance. They serve more as historical markers akin to celebrating a new year rather than reflecting any intrinsic market changes. As the economy and investor preferences evolve, the Dow's relevance may continue to diminish, while the S&P 500s and other broad-based indices gain prominence. Stop watching, start living using PIPS, our AI bot. Go to arbitragetrade.com and check out Arbitrage Trade Assist.
Tom has been a teacher for over 40 years. One day, I think one of the students had asked the question and he didn't remember the answer. And I also noticed that he was letting his class out earlier than they were supposed to let out. I was really starting to worry.
Levi and I talked about how it would change our lives, but he was there beside me.
When something feels different, it could be Alzheimer's. Now is the time to talk. Visit alz.org/ourstories to learn more. A message from the Alzheimer's Association and the Ad Council.
PIPS Pick of the Day, and it's Throwback Thursday, and it's a quick 10%. I give you a pick of the day every Monday through Wednesday, and then on Thursdays I review all of the AI bot PIPS wins over the months. PIPS makes it easy for me with his 12 indicators. This week it's Pulmatic Inc., that's P-U-L-M, and they develop and discover novel inhaled therapeutics products. This was a pick of the day Tuesday, just 2 days ago. It opened at $1.60 and ran up 10% to $2.09 that day. Great job, Pips, showing your green X and delivering it in only 1 day. Sometimes these are one-day picks, sometimes it takes about 2 months. Want to see the graphs and 12 indicators? Look for my video post about Throwback Thursday on social media where I break it all down. Put our AI bot Pips to work for you with Arbitrage Trade Assist. We are not financial advisors. We offer a service at arbitragetrade.com. Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is a privately held research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the contents of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to function as investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.